All right, we are continuing our time here live on the road here. We are loving Lansing like a local at Spare Time Entertainment Center. I'm with Nancy, one of the owners. And of course, we got to do a little bowling while we're here. How popular is your bowling? I know you guys started out as bowling, but you've added on all kinds of other fun stuff.
Well, bowling is always a real popular item. We have grown to include a lot of other activities. We have the arcade, we have the axe throwing, we have the escape rooms, we have great food. And we have volleyball this time of year.
Oh, really? Outside?
Outside volleyball.
And that's why it's called Spare Time Entertainment Center. It's not just a bowling alley. I know we think of bowling when we think of this place, but you got all kind of fun stuff to keep the kiddos and yourself entertained all summer.
Right.
All right. Well, I want to get a little bowling lesson from you because you're the expert. You've owned a bowling alley for 10 years. I have to know how to up my game because I got a gutter ball earlier, even though I was doing it on purpose, so I didn't have to pay any money to Justin and Nicole. Tell me what is going to help us not get a gutter ball.
Well, you see here you've got all the dots across here.
Yes.
And then if you look down the lane, you've got all the arrows.
Okay.
You want to line up the middle dot with the middle arrow and aim your ball that way.
Okay. And then you were telling me there's something about the steps. Like you only want to take so many steps and you don't want to go over the foul line.
Yeah, don't go over the foul line unless you want to slide down.
Yeah, and you'll get grease all over your outfit. So we're
but
not
you'll
doing
knock
that.
down all the pins.
There you go. There you go. Yeah, let's not do that. But how many steps?
3.
3 steps.
So you want to start on your dominant foot, probably your right foot.
Yep.
1, 2, 3, and as you come back like this.
Okay.
And then let it go.
All right, how about this? How about I throw the first one, and if I get a gutter ball, you grab a ball and clean up after me.
Okay.
How about that? Okay. All right, so we're going to line up on the dots, check my arrows, and I already had knocked a few down earlier. Let's see if I got a gutter ball again. All right, Nancy, you grab your ball. You get a pink ball that matches your outfit, and I think I had already started one, so you're going to start a fresh one.
All right.
Because I messed that one up. So you're going to show us how it's done. So
we hope.
We hope. Exactly. Yeah. All right, here we go.
Okay.
This is how it's done, folks. Oh, absolutely. Yes, over. Oh, look at that. How did you... Oh, just one left. Okay, first of all, how did you get the ball to curve back like that? Because I was like, it's going for the gutter like mine, but then yours turned.
Pure chance.
No, you have some skill. Okay, all right. If this happens to us and we have one pin left, how do we get it down? Are we still using the dots on the ground?
Basically.
Okay.
Basically.
All right. I failed, so I'm going to let you do it.
Pray.
Okay, I'm going to let you do it and show us how it's done. If you have one pin left, how you get it down, because that looks tricky. All right, Nancy's going to show us how it's done with her pink ball and her pink outfit. Getting that last pin down. Oh my gosh, yes! Oh, yes! All right, I'm glad I left it to the expert on that one, because I am just 0 for 0 on this. But, all right, so come on back here. Let me just ask you, we're going to head into your escape room next, and we don't want to tell them everything, but what is your favorite part about the escape room, and what can people experience?
It's just fun.
Yeah.
And there's a lot of history behind them. All of our escape rooms are themed. We have one that looks like a train car. It's curved on the top. We have one that's a submarine.
Ooh! All right, well, we're going to head in there next, so don't you go anywhere. You stay with Studio 10 as we love Lansing like a local on the road today. We're continuing our time here on the road, and we are at Spare Time with Ellie, and you have a fancy title. I'm not even going to try it. What do you do here at Escapology at Spare Time?
I host people in the rooms, put them in, explain how everything works, and then I run their game from behind, so I help walk them through the puzzles and walk them through, their room and help them through their experience.
Okay, so currently we're in a submarine. Tell me what this room is called and what you experience when you come in this room.
So this is Under Pressure. This is our Under Pressure room. So the theme of it is basically you're on an underwater submarine, and your goal is to replace all of the oxygen silos in the submarine because they have been taken by the spy, and you have to restore all the oxygen silos before your hull crushes and you run out of oxygen.
Okay, absolutely. I love the story that you guys have behind it. It's like almost a video game. So we don't want to give the viewers too much because we want them to come experience it for themselves. But what is 1 or 2 puzzles that we can do, maybe that Nancy and I can try and figure out together?
Well, I can show you guys our first puzzle that you usually would do to open up.
What would the first puzzle be?
So you would come over to this locker right here. You start with your birthday card. So there's a little birthday card in the locker. You take it off, and you read it out loud. So it says, "Happy 21st birthday, Mitch, 4644," which would be today's date.
What's the code?
Then kind of. So looking over into this locker, there's a little hint in here that says the number for the locker is Mitch's birthday. So your next step would basically to find out what Mitch's birthday is. So this being today's date, we would know his birthday.
-21.
Right, minus 21,
Okay.
yeah.
All right, Nancy, help me out. Minus 21. This is the birthday, but minus 21 years.
33.
Okay. Is she right?
No. Close.
About 10 years off.
Yeah. 33. 23.
23, yes.
Okay, so 4623.
Yep, so 4623.
All right,
so if
Nancy,
you want
you
to put
try
that
it.
in there.
4623. Can you see those numbers? They're tiny. I don't know. We might need a brighter light on those. Okay, so then we open up this, and there's going to be something that's going to help us with our next clue in here?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Now, if we don't know what's going on in these
4,
rooms,
6 what?
4623.
we can get a hint, right?
Yes, you can.
Okay, I saw the little hint thing on the wall. How do you get a hint? Like if you're stuck and you're just like, you can't figure out the birthday, you don't know, because I know you can't have your phones out, you can't have your calculator out because you might Google stuff.
Yes.
What would you, how would you get a hint?
So to get a hint, you're going to come over to the hint button that's usually located right next to one of your screens. It'll say press for a hint right on top of it or below it, and then you just click it and your game master will answer.
Ellie, you led us astray.
4, 6, 2, 3.
Oh, okay. Push, pull. Very good. All right.
It's strong.
Open it up. We got to see what's in it. I'm excited. I'm going to guess it's a piece of paper with some more coating on it. What do we think? Oh. All right, here's some mail. Okay, well, we don't have time to show you everything, obviously. We don't want to give too much away in this room, but here's what it is, okay? Pictures. That's all we're going to say. It's pictures. Ellie, what are we going to do with these? Don't give them too much, but what would you do with the pictures?
So after the pictures, you'd have to closely inspect the pictures, see if there's anything maybe hidden inside the pictures, if there's anything special about the dates on the pictures.
Is this the crew?
That looks like one of the crew's family members.
The crew's family members. All right, well, we're going to put it back so that the next person can enjoy it. But talk to me about the different rooms. Obviously, we're in one of the rooms because other people are using the other rooms. What other rooms do you have here at Escapology?
We have 3 other rooms aside from this one, all ranging in different difficulties. We have Antidote, which is like our science-y themed room. Cuban Crisis, which would be your next step up, which is like you're in a Cuban Missile Crisis trying to figure out like if a plane was shot down on purpose or on accident. And then Budapest Express, which is our murder mystery.
All right, Ellie, thank you for your time. Did Nancy and I pass?
Yeah.
All right, we'll pass.
For sure.
All right, we'll stick around because we have more Studio 10 after this. We are continuing our time here live on the road at Spare Time, and Peter, you are kind of the go-between that is helping us out, getting all the delicious snacks. When you think of bowling, you think of summertime, sometimes you think of those loaded nachos, you think of the chili cheese fries, the pizza, the burgers. You guys have all of that and more.
Absolutely. We also have truffle fries, all kinds of good stuff.
Okay, full menu of food and drinks. And you have a couple glasses here down below the bar that we're going to fill up with some of your signature favorites. Tell me what you have and let's make them.
Well, one of our most well-known cocktails here is our Long Island. We squeeze all the Long Islands with fresh juices from limes, lemons, fresh simple syrup, sugar, water, just the basics, all the good stuff.
Okay.
We use things like Tito's, Bacardi, Cuervo Tradicional, Cointreau. Yeah, oh God, I'm drawing a blank on the gin, but Bombay Sapphire is our gin in the Long Islands.
Okay.
And everything is made from scratch. We actually go through about 6,000 a year, so we've actually had to keg them in order to get them out fast enough.
All right, so what is this that you're pouring here?
This here is our Long Island.
Okay, so that one's really popular for the summertime.
That's very popular all year round.
Yes.
And
mysteriously behind the curtain, what are you adding over there?
Let's say they put the straws over there.
There you
and
go.
Lost the lemon, but
yes, perfect, beautiful,
there
very
you go.
good. Thank you so much.
And we also have just added moonshine slushies as well. So we have 2 flavors here. We have a Shineberry sweet tea, which is kind of your dark raspberry with dark cherries, things like that. We also have a watermelon and chili one, which is just a little bit of a spice with the coolness of a watermelon kick.
Can I give you a challenge? Do like half and half? Maybe like layer it, you know, a little pink, a little white, and kind of give me a little summery mix there. All right, so if people want to order food additionally, you know, in addition to the drinks, is it something that they order and then they can go out and play, or is it something where it's like, you know, the sit-down service?
It's both. They can come up here and order if they'd like, or they can wait for their server at their lanes.
Okay.
And everything will be brought right out to them.
which I think is great because you're enjoying a game and you don't have to pause. But if you did want to take a pause, you guys have a beautiful dining area as well with
Absolutely.
tables if people want to kind of take a load off after playing lots of rounds of bowling, right?
Yeah.
All right, very good. So we're seeing some video right now on the screen of some
Okay.
additional things you have here as well. But I
All
have
right.
to say, after we come out of the video, we have something here on the table that just got brought out to us, made hot, fresh from the kitchen. I want to know a little bit more about what we have here.
Well, we have our mega nacho platter with freshly made nacho chips made in house from corn tortilla.
Okay.
With tomatoes, lettuce, green peppers.
Are these
queso.
jalapenos?
Yes,
Okay.
green jalapenos.
A little kick in there for you.
Yep.
All right, absolutely. And they're steaming, so I know that they're fresh.
Yep.
And
And,
these would be perfect for your family.
Your family or a bunch of your coworkers, your friends.
There you go.
You know,
Absolutely.
something to snack on while you decide what you want to do here. If you
I
want.
have to ask, can we take a bite?
Absolutely.
Okay, all right. Well, you pick one. What chip are you going for?
Oh.
I'm going one without the jalapeno, but this one,
Oh.
oh yeah, the loaded nachos. What do you like to get?
Oh, well, I usually like to get. Something like a really hot pepper, but
Oh, okay.
they're all good.
All right, give me a
So,
bite and give me
cheers.
a grade. How'd the kitchen do today? I'm gonna go 10 out of 10. Absolutely, that is fresh. You can't beat
Oh,
it.
they did an 11 today.
And they did an 11, absolutely. Well, you heard it here first
Yep.
at Spare Time. I'm going to enjoy the rest of my nachos, and we're going to get a check on your forecast.